Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy. First, familiarize yourself with your syllabus and exam structure to guide your efforts effectively. Next, always pair a reliable textbook with a detailed anatomical atlas. Visual aids are crucial for grasping complex structures. Remember to prioritize understanding the why behind each part rather than just rote memorization. This foundational approach builds a strong knowledge base. To truly master anatomy, engage in active learning. Drawing and labeling diagrams by hand significantly enhances your recall and spatial understanding. Create your own mnemonics and flashcards for quick, efficient review of terms and relationships. Additionally, forming study groups allows you to discuss challenging topics, clarify doubts, and learn from different perspectives, making the material stick better. Connect your learning to real-world applications. Understanding the clinical significance of anatomical structures makes the information more relevant and easier to remember. Whenever possible, practice identifying structures on anatomical models or specimens to develop practical recognition skills. Consistent, regular review of all topics is absolutely essential to prevent forgetting and to solidify your long-term retention of this vast subject. For deeper understanding, try teaching concepts to a friend or explaining them aloud. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Explore various online resources and interactive anatomy applications, which offer dynamic ways to visualize and test yourself. These tools can provide different perspectives and reinforce your learning. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.